We're at Tony's Chocolonely, and we were born 15 years ago from a journalistic television show that realized, they saw an article in a newspaper on page 12 or something about child slavery, a tiny article. And they said, how can it be a tiny article on page 12 instead of front page news that there's such a thing as child slavery in a product that we buy almost and consume almost daily? So it was a very hidden problem. So they went there and they realized the problem was even bigger than they thought in the beginning. Well, long story short, they started a chocolate company to make that difference from within. And in the last 6 or 7 or 8 years in the Netherlands, we've exploded and now internationally available in Scandinavia, Finland, Germany, Belgium, France, UK, US, etc. to, showing that you can make a difference and be successful. So a key message for me would be to never think that you're too small to make a change, whether you're as a person or as an organization. So we started out as a small chocolate company, have now become the market leader in the Netherlands, really trying to make a change within the industry. So what we're about is making sure that all chocolate worldwide becomes 100% slavery free. Because there's a lot of hidden forced child labor in the value chain of cocoa. We want to eradicate all that forced child labor. We want to show the industry that it can actually be done. You can actually be financially successful and still make, in our opinion, better chocolate. And then the last step, as I told in my presentation, is that we want to inspire the whole industry to change by showing them that it can be done and by creating awareness amongst consumers.